The definition of jihad in the Quran is given in a very clear words. Quran says that jihad is a peaceful activism. It is completely a peaceful. Jihad is a peaceful jihad. Quran says, وَجَاهِدْهُمْ بِهِ جِهَادًا كَبِيرًا, and do great jihad with them with the help of the Quran. Here you can see that Quran says that you have to do jihad with the help of the Quran. Now, what is Quran? Quran is not a sword. Quran is not a gun. Quran is not a bomb. Quran is a bomb. So, when you try to do jihad by the help of the Quran, it means that you are trying to follow the peaceful method. So, according to the Quranic definition, jihad is a peaceful activism completely. So you can see that both the party are living in misunderstanding. Non-Muslims believe that Islam is a violent religion, and Muslims believe that jihad is a violent activism. And both are wrong. Both are wrong. Islam is a religion of peace in complete sense of the word. I can say that Islam was the first religion to proclaim that peace is the summum bonum. As-sulhu khair. People generally believe that freedom is summum bonum. But you know, if you adopt this formula that freedom is summum bonum, that means that if you use freedom in an unlimited way, then it will turn into anarchy. Unlimited freedom means anarchy. So how you can say that freedom is a summum bonum? It means that freedom can be used only in a limited way. Unlimited freedom means anarchy, destruction. So freedom is not a summum bonum. Summum bonum is only peace is the summum bonum. If you use peace, you do follow peace. If you follow peace, then there is no negative result. You can follow peace in an unlimited way, and there is no negative result. So this is the Islamic stand on this subject. You can see both sides is wrong. Non-Muslims believe that Islam is a violent religion, and it is not. Islam is a peaceful religion. Muslims believe that jihad is a violent activism, and it is not. Jihad is a peaceful activism. Jihad is completely a peaceful activism. So I can say that misunderstanding is not monopoly of a a specific community. Muslims and non-Muslims both are living in misunderstanding about Islam. If you want to know what is Islam, you have to see Quran and Sunnah.